Wish you very happy Dasara 2020. Ma Durga bless all of us. This festival gave us immense energy. So we pray Ma Durga and we recall our motherhood and importance of mothers, our whole life with mothers in during the 9 days with fast, well disciplined life gave us immense knowledge about women, especially the mother, our association with mothers. In the recent past months, there was various issues. One of the important issue was death of Sushant Singh Rajput, a very talented boy who looks more important over screen than going IITs, engineering activities. It's a very unfortunate a developing country like India where fiction's more important than facts. An engineer work in the field is facts and screen is the fictions. But screen dominate today. So the young boys diverted his life towards screen first, and that's give more money to people. It's a mistake of the idea who sees India is a market. In 1990, Narasimha Rao ji, without going into the field work, if India is the market, who will collect the money? Who distribute their goods to this market? They signed all the agreements, free trade agreements, and foreign developed country and their colonies like Hong Kong, South Korea, Singapore, China, where they set up their manufacturing hubs, paid their laborers and dump all goods in India, where all the money borrowed by the government of India to fulfill the physical deficit. Physical deficit is nothing but loss of income. Our manpower is not generating proper income for their consumptions within the country. The government borrowed to fulfill the poor's need, to provide the subsidy, and that physical deficit is in exported out of the country for their purchases out of the imported items and continue growing. The result is 20 years back price and today price is more than 30 times all the major items. The present government is also very ignorant about stimulations and not fair about how to work to stop market, branding market, at least in between the masses. Unless we stop the branding market in between the masses, India Atmanirbhar, Indian consumers will not go for Indian manufacturings, and at least the shop owners who is now habituals to not work and procure the items which is branded and which is very well advertised over the screen and put for display and sell it. So many Indian manufacturers try to provide a very good quality of, like Zenith, SCL, all failed because they could not find good marketing. The festival of Dasara, which also provide informations, the honor of India, the Army of India, the Union of India, who has succeeded Ravana's kingdom. Ravana is the same like developed country, how they force us to import from them where they know our masses are unemployed. Like Ravana, they also compel us to look towards them, else they will finish us, they will disturb us, they will destroy us. The screen is another Ravana where for silly money they advertise the goods, make a brand of imported items and disseminate it in all consumers who prefer them. So we all has to be very careful and pressurize the government to let down the screen. Without let down the screen, India manufacturing could not be protected. So please let down the screen. Help who working to let down the screen. Thank you. Bye bye.